Instagram is a media which you can share photos or videos that you want with your friends and family. Do you want to keep up to date with all your favorite celebrities? If this interests you, you're in luck. Instagram is an app that allows you to do these things and more. I'm Scarlett from KK Technologies. In this video I'll be telling you all about what Instagram is and how it works. So let's get started. So what exactly is Instagram? Instagram is a mobile application that allows you to take, edit and share photos and videos. You can share some of your posts be public for anyone to see, or make your account private so you can pick and choose who is allowed to see your posts. So how does Instagram work? When you start using Instagram, the first thing you want to do is find people to follow. Whenever someone you follow posts a new picture or video, it'll show up in your Instagram timeline. You can search for specific people to follow or browse through Instagram Discover page for suggestions. To access Discover, go to your profile. Then click this 3-line in the top right corner. Sure, you'll find a list of people Instagram suggests for you to follow. If you see a painter interested in following, click follow beside their name to follow them. If you have a picture or video you want to share with your friends and family and followers, you can upload it to Instagram and post it. You can edit it and add a filter to give it a more unique look. When you're done, tap next. Now you can add a caption to your post. And if you want, you can share the post on your other social media accounts like Facebook or Twitter. When you're ready, share to post it. Another thing you can do on Instagram is use hashtags to categorize your own posts. Or find a type of poster. Looking for a number is a word or phrase preceded by the number that you can add to the caption of your posts. For example, let's say you were posting a picture of a moon. In the caption of your post, you could add the hashtag moon. If you wanted to see other moon pictures, go to the search tab, type in number plus moon, and you'll find thousands of other moon posts. If you don't want anyone and everyone to be able to see your posts, you can make your account private to do so. Go to your profile. Then click the gear button to access your settings. Scroll down until you see private account. Then slide the switch over to enable account privacy. Once the switch changes colors, your account is now private. If you like this video, please touch subscribe button below.